Namaste and welcome back to Dheemahi Ayurveda. Today we will explore how Ayurveda treats PCOD holistically with the key therapies offered in our center. If you or a loved one is facing challenges due to PCOD, this video is for you. The treatments are tailored on the basis of which category of PCOD you fall into, as I have mentioned in my previous video. Let me give you a quick recap. There are two types of PCOD, the Kaphaja type and the Vata-Pittaja type. Treatments are decided after thoroughly analyzing which dosha has been imbalanced in your body. If you have a Kaphaja type of PCOD, then treatments that are aimed at reducing and eliminating the Kapha dosha are done. Treatments that help in improving the digestion and metabolism, correcting the hormone imbalance, and helping you shed those extra kgs will be focused. If you have a Vata-Pitta type of PCOD, then treatments that focuses on correcting the Vata and Pitta dosha will be done. Also, reducing the stress levels and improving the sleep quality is also very essential. Regardless of the type of PCOD you have, correcting your period cycle is the priority. But this will take at least 3 months of medication. The reason is that for the conversion of Graafian follicle into a healthy egg, it takes almost 3 months. Now, let's discuss about the cornerstone of Ayurvedic treatment for PCOD. It is nothing other than Panchakarma. Panchakarma therapies helps to cleanse the body by removing the accumulated toxins known as ama, and also in removing the excess vitiated doshas, especially Kapha dosha. These therapies are carefully chosen considering your unique body constitution. The Panchakarma or the Detox therapies includes 5 cleansing procedures. Vamana or Therapeutic vomiting is the first Panchakarma. It is very essential if you have Kaphaja type of PCOD. In Vata-Pitta type, Virechana or Therapeutic Purgation and Vasti or Medicated Enemas are of great importance. Virechana helps to remove the excess vitiated Pitta, and Vasti helps in controlling the deranged Vata. Nasya or nasal medication is also important in both types of PCOD as it helps in regulating the hormone balance. Along with cleansing procedures, supportive therapies like oil massage or Abhyanga and steam, Udwartana or powder massage, Shirodhara, etc. are also done. Udwartana or powder massage is opted for Kaphaja PCOD, while Abhyanga is best for Vata-Pittaja type. Shirodhara is yet another important treatment as it helps to reduce stress, improve the quality of sleep, and help in the functioning of hypothalamo-pituitary axis, thus regulating the hormonal secretion. Correction of acne or digestive fire is very important in the treatment. A weak digestion can lead to toxin buildup and hormone imbalances. Hence, therapies designed to strengthen the digestion plays a vital role. Yoga, pranayama and meditation are also very important as they help to reduce the stress level and keep the doshas in balance. At Dheemahi Ayurveda, every treatments are personalized to your unique needs, ensuring a holistic healing experience. If you are ready to take your first step towards better health, visit us at dheemahiayur.com to learn more. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Ayurvedic wisdom.